In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link images in Google Sheets. So we have our simple formula right here that we're going to follow, and we're going to be using two functions, the hyperlink function and the image function. I already have my URLs ready, so this is the link that we're going to be attaching to our image. Let's get started. Start with your equal sign, type in hyperlink or select it right here, open quotation mark, put in your URL, comma. Now we're gonna type in image, open quotation mark, and put in the URL of our image. So copy that link and paste it and press enter. And there you have an Apple image with a link. Let's try and adjust our cells to make our image fit the cell. And there you have it. Let's try that again with the same link but a different image. So again, equal sign, hyperlink, open quotation mark, copy your link again or your URL, close quotation, comma, this time image, and our second image. Open quotation mark, paste, and enter. And there you have our second image with a link. Again, adjust your cells. And there you have it. So if you hover over these images, the links will appear right beside them. And that's how to link images in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.